Hi guys, Gorilla91 Online here, how copy? Doing this video here, I apologize for the late recording, and I'm using my tablet, so, yeah. I don't have proper equipment to do all the fancy videos and stuff like other content creators do, so I'm basically just starting out. So please bear with me, and I appreciate anybody's that subscribes as well. And whatnot. Feel free to comment down below. I'll help you any way I can. So I'm going to answer a question here about saving for a loadout and your customization for your operator here. Also, I did receive my content a few hours after I posted that video there about being ripped off. I only put that in the headline there just to get people to watch it. But normally I don't like to do that, but at first I thought I was getting ripped off. Thankfully I didn't though. So I did get here, headgear. Yep, there we go. We got all that there. It doesn't have a preview on it though. But I am gonna make a new one here and show you. Here, I don't have anything to hold my tablet up, so bear with me here. I'm using one hand to hold the tablet and one to do this. So let's go headgear. Alright. Wait. Whoops. Where's my okay. Now security. Okay, yep, there we go. Okay, yep. Headgear. I honestly haven't been playing that much lately, just due to the crashing and everything. The game's really, they like, from what I've been seeing on Twitter, I really don't trust their attitude and whatnot so far right now with their response to people and refusing to refund people. So basically taking people's money and not fixing the issues. They're not experienced, so alright, let's see here. Okay, so this here, we'll go with dark gray. Alright. I'm also going to, oh, my hand. Okay, no, we don't need face wear, eyewear. We'll go torso. So we're going to find an outfit here. Bad day top. Ooh, nice. Alright. Dirty blouse. I don't like that urban warden top for the security. They could have done better with designing that, but at the same time, I mean, it does look good. I mean, it's cool and everything, but just mean it could have went better. That's all. Olive drab, yeah. Okay, legs. We might actually get to see him scratch his bum. Combat pants, yeah. Okay. Oh. Yep, we'll go there, do that. Feet. Alright. Okay, so now what we're gonna do here is you go right here to the plus sign. Okay, when you have your uniform and stuff, when you have your character all done up, okay, you'll move over here to the plus sign, and then you'll press A or X or whatever platform you're on. So I'm gonna name this one Long John Dickweed. I apologize for my lazy hand holding this tablet here. It's a bit heavy. Alright, see, Long John Dickweed. Oh, you can't even, oh yeah, you can somewhat see it. There. Long John Dickweed. Yep. Alright, let's see here. Alright. So then I'll ask you if you want to confirm. Yep. Perfect. Now, so this here, it'll go down so you can click between, and there's a saved one I did, and then it's the same thing for insurgents, no different, like it's same process. Yeah. Leb Canadian Marksman, yep. Okay, Long John Dickweed. There we go. Now your loadouts. Okay. So so what you got to do is you got to separate. So if you're doing it for versus, it's on versus, but then for co-op, you would select co-op, and then marksman. So I would have. So we'll do this here. Alright, for marksman. Fuck, I'd love to get that SKS. Doesn't look like it. So M1 Grand, no, okay, here, let's see. I want to pick a good rifle. So the M110, no, alright. Ooh, jeez, no. Yeah, okay. See, I like to do the I like to do the 2x 2x situation, because 2x 1x, because I mean, they don't have any like 7x and like, you know, multiple zooms with the hybrid on the side on an angle like a red dot. I wish they would, like red dot sight. I wish they would. We'll go here. Do up my quick. White out. Yeah, no. All right. All right. Then what you'll do is, same thing. Guys, I'm really sorry for my... I haven't been feeling well either. I'm type 1 diabetic. Okay, so we'll go, M... Okay. 6... F... D... 3. Just to give it a name. Okay, so then it will ask you, same as if you were, you know, for an operator. Go okay. So then you have your marksman op. That's the one that I have already. M1 Grand. and that's how you do it. I hope that helps you out at all. I mean, if need be, just comment. Don't hesitate to comment stuff. I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna, ignore you and stuff or bite your head off for asking a lot of questions. I'll answer the best that I can and help out the best that I can. But I just want to get this done right quick so that I don't forget about it. And I hope that this helps you guys out. I'm gonna go try and enjoy some more Far Cry 6. It just came out, and I'm still looking into making videos on how to make videos on my Xbox. There's a way to do it there, like a little studio app. So I'm gonna try and get some stuff started here, and hopefully get some viewers here. And you guys have a good day. And pretty soon I'll post my Xbox One gamer tag there, and for anyone that wants to add me to join me in some of the games that I play. All right, have a great day, guys.